Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Dlodili Lepo has left Kaizer Chiefs. Here is a statement from Kaizer Chiefs. It says, Democratic Republic of Congo-born forward Dlodi Maccabi Lepo has completed a move from Kaizer Chiefs to Libyan side Al Ahly Benghazi, following an agreement on the transfer fee between the two clubs. The 29-year-old versatile attacker joined the Soweto Giants in January 2025 from French outfit Valenciennes. During his time at Amakos, Lepo featured in 56 matches in all competitions, scoring 15 goals and providing 5 assists for the team. His versatility as both the winger and forward made him a valuable option in Kaizer Chiefs' attacking setup. Lepo's departure marks the end of an impactful 1.5-year spell at Naturena, where he contributed several memorable performances whenever he donned the Kaizer Chiefs jersey. Some of the highlights include winning the Nedbank Cup barely 4 months after arriving at Chiefs, and being nominated for the Goal of the Season in the PSL Awards in 2025-26 season. The club wishes Lepo success in Libya throughout the remainder of his footballing career. That's the statement from Kaizer Chiefs as they announced the departure of Dlodili Lepo. And the Libyan club Al Ahly Benghazi confirmed that Dlodili Lepo joined them on a 2-year deal. And Dlodili Lepo penned a heartfelt farewell to Kaizer Chiefs. Here is what he says. Kosi Nation, it is with emotion that my journey with you comes to an end. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to everyone at Kaizer Chiefs, to the management, Dr. Kaizer Motaung, Kaizer Motaung Jr., Bobby Motaung, the entire leadership team, the coaching staff, and everyone working behind the scenes. Thank you for your support and for giving me the opportunity to wear this iconic badge. It has been an honor. To my teammates, thank you for every moment we shared. It has been a privilege to fight with you. Together we were able to bring a trophy back to this great club after 10 years and secure qualification for the CAF Confederation in 2 consecutive seasons. I will always cherish the memories we created together. I know this club deserves more, and I have no doubt that greater days lies ahead. To the supporters, thank you for your patience, support, positivity, and kindness. Your love for this club is truly special. I hope I was able to bring you some moments of joy, even though we also experienced some difficult times together. Your energy, loyalty, and the atmosphere you created are something that will stay with me for the rest of my life. I will always be grateful for the opportunity to have represented this institution. I wish Kaizer Chiefs nothing but success in the future. I truly hope the club returns to where it belongs. Kosi, thank you for everything. #Amakos. That's the heartfelt message from Dlodili Lepo. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Dlodili Lepo leaving Kaizer Chiefs to join Libyan Giants Al Ahly Benghazi? Are you happy with this move? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.